Okay, simplify the expression below. 4 and 1/2 times -8 times 4 times 1/8. So to take it really easy, we're just going to go one part at a time. We're going to focus on this first two, and then we'll get to the other stuff later. So 4 and 1/2, we need to change this to an improper fraction. You can check out that video if that's tough for you, but I'll go really quick doing that. So we keep the same denominator, the 2. That's the easy part. And then 2 times 4 is going to make 8. And then 4 times 1, 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1 is going to make 9. So we end up with 9/2. Again, check the video on changing a mixed number to an improper fraction if I went too fast for you right there. Pause this video and then go watch that. So for any whole number or integer like this, we just need to realize it's pretty easy to change it to an improper fraction. We just put a 1 underneath it. So -8/1. There technically should be parentheses here, but it's too late now. I already drew it. So that we multiply across 9 times 8. It's going to make 72. 2 times 1 is going to make 2. And since one of these was negative, the -8/1, we had a positive times negative, the answer is going to be negative. So we end up with -72/2. To simplify that, we're going to change it to divide both by the top and the bottom by 2 to give us -36/1. And that's the same thing as we'll just keep it in that form for now, actually. So we have all of this can be simplified as -36, and you can put it over 1 if you want, or we can just multiply that times 4 right now. -36 times 4, and that, again, you might have to write it out. That's okay if you have to do that, but I just know off the top of my head that that's going to be -144. And then we can erase all of this. And we've simplified that part. So we scribble that out. Now all we have to do is multiply this by 1/8 times 1/8. And again, if you have to multiply a whole number by a fraction, you put that 1 underneath the whole number, and that's your fraction. So that turns into -144 over 8. And I do believe both of these are going to be divisible by 8. So let me think about how many times it will go in. It'll be 1 time for the 14. I'm doing this division in my head real quick. -144 divided by 8, and that's going to make -18.